Every physician wants the same thing: to help patients more than they could yesterday.
One of the biggest motivations to come here is because
When experienced physicians travel across the country for training, they're not looking for another lecture. They're looking for answers they can take back to their patients.
I normally practice in Portland, Oregon, but today I'm speaking to you from the headquarters of KIC Ventures, where I flew all the way to in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. One of the biggest motivations to come here is because obviously we want to be able to help our patients more than we have been so far.
That question brought physicians together from different practices, but around one common challenge.
One of the most common scenarios that we see clinically is people coming in with symptomatic spinal stenosis. KIC Ventures has some tools and instruments that would potentially give us an opportunity to help patients more with better outcomes. I came out here today to learn a new procedure called ELiD, which is an opportunity to actually decompress spinal space, and particularly foraminal space, much more than we have been doing so far with mild procedures that have been popular for quite a few years. So today I had an opportunity to review the rationale behind this procedure and actually try my hands in a lab.
Because every new technique deserves more than curiosity. It deserves careful evaluation.
I also discussed quite a few imaging studies and get some of their wisdom in terms of who are the most appropriate candidates for this procedure.
Technology matters. Knowing when and for whom to use, it matters even more.
Overall, it was a fairly good visit and gave me a better perspective of what kind of treatment options would work the best for our patients out here in Oregon.